Welcome to A Printer Repair with MRP, a Serve IT company. In this video, you will learn how to replace the Platen roller for a ZT231 printer. First, open the case and proceed to the pressure bar and print mechanism. Use the pressure bar to lift the upper print mechanism. Rotate the inner and outer Platen locks up to the unlocked position and remove the gear cover. Lift the Platen roller assembly out of the lower print mechanism. Now it's time to install the new Platen roller. Slide the new Platen roller assembly into the lower print mechanism, making sure that the gear meshes with the drive gear. Rotate the inner and outer locks towards the back of the printer to lock it in place. Remember the gear cover. Close the upper print mechanism and pressure bar. Now close the case and you'll be ready to print.